Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqara. Bala man kasaba sayyi'atan wa ahatat bihi khati'atuhu fa ulaika ashabun nar hum fiha khalidun. Translation: Those who earn evil and are encompassed by their sinfulness are the people of the fire, and there they will abide. In the previous ayah, we had seen that Jews or Bani Israel had a false assumption of wishful thinking that if they go in the hellfire, they will stay there not more than for a few days. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here is saying that someone who is doing an evil and they are encompassed by their sinfulness, meaning that they are surrounded by that evil, they will stay in the fire, hum fiha khalidun, forever. So they will stay there forever. And Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhu said that here the evil is meant as kufr. And we have seen that kufr is hiding the testimony of the heart due to the gain of any worldly benefit. So whoever is hiding the testimony of the heart to achieve the word is doing kufr. And here Jews in Bani Israel, what was the main kufr they did? That they identified, recognized Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and they rejected him. They identified him as they identified their sons, but despite of that, they rejected Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and they rejected Quran. So this was the evil that surrounded them, that encompassed them. And whoever is doing that, according to this formula that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us in this ayah, will be in the fire, and hum fiya khalidun, they will stay there forever. So Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anha said that here the evil means shirk, which is also a gunah kabira, a big sin. But the Jews had a false hope, a mani, wishful thinking. And what was that? That because they were Jews, they were the chosen people, they will not go in the hell, and if they go in the hell, they will come out. And this was negated also in Surah Nisa, ayah number 123, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said that this reward is neither by your desires nor by the desires of the followers of the book. Those who do evil will be recompensed for it, and they will not find any protector for them other than Allah, nor a helper. So wishful thinking does not work, and we should not have a wishful thinking as well. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is given another formula, which is the formula to get in the Jannah, in the paradise. And what is that? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ أُولَٰئِكَ أَصْحَابُ الْجَنَّةِ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. Translation: And those who believe and do good deeds, they are companions in the paradise Jannah. They where Jannah, where they will live forever. So if anyone from any group wants to go in Jannah, what they have to do? They have to have a true iman, iman haqiqi, iman from their heart, and on top of that, they should be doing the good deeds. And if they have these two conditions satisfied, then they will go in Jannah and they will stay there forever. So let's make this thing very clear. Let's make sure that we understand this concept and these ayahs, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not put anyone in hell or heaven just because of the group they belonged. They will have to be assessed by their iman and their good deeds. Iman and amal saleh. Oh Allah, give us true iman and make us do the good deeds so that we can go in the Jannah and stay there forever. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.